Hey YouTube, just showing you a unboxing or an unpackaging video of iFixit's Macintosh Mini Unibody Data Doubler Kit, toolkit here, sorry, used to modify and upgrade your 2011 or 2012 Mac Mini so that you can put in an extra hard drive on top of the existing one that comes from the factory. Now I'm not sure if you can use this on the 2010 series Mac Mini. I would imagine that they're all probably designed in a similar manner, but let's take a look at what we got here. So I ordered this kit about 2 weeks ago and I received it in the mail, and this is what you get. It's basically, it looks like a pencil pouch of some sort, and inside the pouch we have the screwdriver set here with all the various bits and the screwdriver handle to take apart all the screws on most Macintoshes. We've got the SATA cable here for the second drive. Got the little Mac Mini dual drive kit sort of label. We've got the hard drive screws that you'll need to put onto your new drive. We've got the little drive securing grommets that fit inside the unibody chassis. And of course the logic board pulling tool, which is really just a hardened piece of steel bar that goes into the logic board to remove it from the unibody chassis. So basically this kit costs about 30 bucks, and it's well worth the money, I guess, because Apple Canada here doesn't sell any of these parts to double the drives in my Mac Mini, and the fact that these tools here, by the time you add up all the separate pieces or try to fabricate your own, it's not really worth it. So for $29.99 plus a little bit of shipping, I managed to get this kit shipped to my front door, and so now we're going to put it to use so that I can install a 256 gigabyte SSD into my Mac Mini.